MIROMAX presents the do-it-yourself electric bicycle. If you add a Magic Pi kit to a traditional bicycle, you get an electric bicycle. The wheel motor size can be from 16 to 28 inch. The Magic Pi motor can be mounted at the front, at the rear, or the front and the rear. The kit consists of 6 main components: braking levers, speed throttle, cruise control, pedal assistant, wheel motor, and a battery. The very first important component is the brake lever with micro contacts. When using the brakes, the speed throttle is disconnected from the motor and the regeneration mode is switched on. In other words, if you use the brakes, the speed throttle is inactive. The next component is the speed throttle. It can be a twist throttle like in motorcycles or thumb throttle like in quadricycles. The speed is adjusted by pressing the throttle. The more you push the speed throttle, the faster you will drive. The speed throttle has a battery capacity indication, which shows the current battery status: fully charged, half charged, empty. The button in the throttle is used for turning the lights on or off, or to reverse the function. The third innovative and exclusive function is the cruise control. When you reach the desired speed, without releasing the speed throttle, press the red cruise control button. Now you can release the speed throttle and the motor will maintain the selected speed until you decide to disable this mode. You can disable this mode in 2 ways. Either press the red cruise control button again or press the braking lever. The green button is for an acoustic signal. The fourth component is the pedal assistant. When pedaling, it automatically switches on the motor to help you. The system's driving force is the Magic Pi wheel. It has an integrated controller in the wheel, an improved independent cooling, and waterproof connections. It is silent, has high durability and no rubbing components, only a magnetic slide. Exclusive, original, extremely thin, versatile and programmable. According to your wishes, all motor parameters can be reprogrammed easily. Power, torque, pedal assistant level, supply voltage, maximum speed, reverse function, reverse speed, regeneration percentage, and the most important is there are no additional costs for you. The sixth component is the battery. It can be in different shapes, rectangle or bottle shape. It can be installed at your own discretion in the most appropriate place: the bicycle frame, on a rack, on a fork, or elsewhere. The higher the battery voltage, the higher the maximum speed. The larger the battery capacity, the greater the driving distance. The better and newer the battery technology, the more lightweight and durable it is. Driving an electric bicycle with Magic Pi is a unique sensation and a new discovery. Try it and you will like it. Your concerns, our solution. MIROMAX.